Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max in the same process. So now I provide two method, easy method. So click onto volume up button and the lock button and the same time, then showing it to slide to power off option, just slide left to right side, then power off. Okay, and the same process to volume down button and the lock button to long press at the same time, then showing it to this option. This is a first method. And the second method, go to shortcut bar, then showing it to power up option, long press, just drag left to right side, then turn off your phone. So that's it, that's how you can do it.